All right. I know it's crazy out there, and a lot of people worried about getting laid off, government layoffs. Everybody's pivoting. It seems like there's a global career pivot shift going on. So I want to walk you through how you could build a six-figure brand, become a six-figure thought leader in your industry, regardless if you're a veteran, civilian, whatnot. But I realize everybody's got to make a career transition at some point, and I realize most folks don't know how to pivot, and here's why. Yes or no? Do you have a brand? Do you have a color, look, image, feel? Is your name, face, image, and likeness out there in the marketplace outside of your resume? I.e., how does the market see you outside of your resume and your LinkedIn? Do you have a brand? Yes or no? Do you have a blueprint to get your brand out there? Outside of posting on social media, how do you market yourself? Do you go to conferences? Do you get on the stages? Do you have a show? Do you have a podcast? How do you disseminate your brand to people who will pay you? Third, do you have a business? I.e., do you have a product? What product or service do you sell, and at what price point do you sell it? Do you sell it for $50 an hour, or do you sell it for $50,000 a year? Do you sell it for $50,000 a year, or do you sell it for a $50,000 retainer quarterly? Do you have a business? What products do you sell? Where can I find them? Where's your website? Yes, no, maybe so. Okay, cool. More importantly is, do you have the belief that you can build all of this? So do you have a brand? Do you have a blueprint? Do you have a business on the back end at a high end rate? And do you have a belief that you can build this stuff? If not, y'all need to talk to me. Boom.